for the holidays. Today I'm showing you 6 amazing Christmas nail designs. We're doing cute characters, 3D textures, and elegant chrome looks. There's some things here for everyone, so let's get started. I'm starting with a quick pencil sketch on the nail. You don't have to do this, but it helps me get the proportions perfect. Fill in the head with a solid red gel. Now, layer a red glitter gel on top. This adds so much depth and makes it a sparkle. Use a cream gel for her face, a cozy green for the sweater, and fill in her hair with brown. For details, paint her lips red and use black gel to add strands to her hair. For the sweater, use white and brown lines to create that knitted texture. Now, apply a top coat over the whole design to seal the painting. For the fluffy half trim, paint it with white gel but do not cover it yet. Pour your sugar powder over the wet gel, then cure it in the lamp. Brush off the excess powder and look at that texture. She looks so ready for winter. Cute, sparkly, and perfect for the holidays. Thanks for watching. Start by rubbing chrome powder all over the nail for that mirror shine. Then, apply a top coat to lock it in and cure. Do you love this rose gold color? Drop a heart in the comments if you do. Paint your reindeer shape with white gel, but don't cure it yet. Pour shimmer powder over the wet gel to make it look like velvet. Now you cure it. Brush off the extra powder. Give him cute little eyes and use a liner brush to draw a tiny string hanging from his antler. Time for the bling. Place 2 gems on that string so they look like hanging ornaments. Cure one last time. And look how chic that is, velvety deer on a chrome base. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Christmassy ideas. Start with a navy blue nail. Apply a layer of base gel, but don't cure it yet. Sprinkle some glitter dust on top to make a starry sky, then cure it. At the tip of the nail, paint the bottom of the cat's face with white gel. Add a cute pink nose and use black gel for the mouth. a pro tip, use a little gray gel to add shadows. It makes the face look so much more realistic. Are you a cat person or a dog person? Tell me in the comments. Grab your liner brush and flick on something white whiskers. Now for the winter vibes, there are a large snowflake right above the cat. Tap your brush around the background to add falling snow. Apply your top coat, but before you cure, place a sparkly gem right in the center of the snowflake. Cure it and you're done. Look how sweet it looks catching the snow. If you like this design, please hit that like button. Start by applying a matte top coat over your base. This velvety finish will make the gold really pop. Draw 3 leaves using white gel and cure. Rub gold cologne powder all over them for that metallic shine. Apply top coat just on the leaves to lock in the crown. Do you prefer gold or silver for Christmas nails? Let me know in the comments. Wipe off the extra powder from the matte background. For the berries, make 3 raised dots using white rubber bands to give them volume. Then paint them red. Now for the magic touch. Apply magnetic top coat on the base and use your magnets. Look how they glow like real gems. I love the contrast between the matte black and the shiny gold. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this tutorial. Apply a thin base coat but don't cure it. Place a bit of polygel on top and use your pusher to shape it into a rough triangle. The messy texture actually makes it look like real pine branches. Now cure it. Here is the secret. Paint the tree with a green jelly gel. Because it's translucent, the white polygel peeks through, looking exactly like snow resting on the branches. For the crown, apply a thick layer of white rubber base at the tip. Don't cure it. Your sugar powder all over it to create that fluffy snow texture. Now you can cure. Finally, add tiny colorful beads as your ornaments to bring the tree to life. And look at that, a mini winter wonderland on your nail. Start with a nude color. Now, rub clear cologne powder all over it. This gives it a magical, pearl-like shine without changing the base color. Seal that with a top coat. Using a red jelly gel, paint your bow shape. Since it's jelly, it looks glassy and juicy. Let me know in the comments if you like using jelly gels. Now, take a darker red or mix a little black and shake the folds of the ribbon to make it look 3D. This shading step makes a huge difference. Let's start some greenery behind the bow. Use green gel to flick on pine needles. Don't forget to go back in with the darker green to add shadows. It creates so much depth. Apply a layer of top coat, but hold on, do not cure it yet. Place your center gem and sprinkle some gold glitter around the pine branches. The wet top coat helps everything still perfectly. Now you cure. Finish it off by dabbing a little white gel on the branches and the bow for that fresh snowfall look. And we're done. We have created 6 beautiful Christmas looks today. I hope this video inspires you to get creative this holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Merry Christmas!